If you've followed me for any amount of time, you know that I talk about a variety of topics, but today's topic is the one that's most nearest and dearest to my heart. We're going to talk about how law firm owners can gain financial clarity and master cash flow management. Running a law firm isn't just about winning cases. It's about making sure the business side runs smoothly too. Without clear finances, even the best law firms can run into serious problems. Cash flow issues cause stress, missed opportunities, and even firm closures. Financial clarity is the key to long-term success. It helps you sleep better at night, it lets you make smarter decisions, and it gives you the power to grow your firm without constant worry about money. If you feel like money comes in and goes out without control, don't worry, you're not alone. And today we're going to fix that.
Welcome to your Profitable Law Firm podcast. I'm Kelley Brubaker, your dedicated host, passionate about empowering law firm owners. Let's dive into the hidden strategies that lead to overflowing profits, scaled growth, and thriving lives. This is where overwhelm transforms into confidence, enabling you to create and enjoy your dream firm and your dream life.
Let's start with what happens when finances are unclear. Many law firm owners make the mistake of thinking if there's money in the account, we're good. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. And here's why. If you don't know exactly what you owe, what's coming in, and what's coming up, you're just guessing. You're not managing. Guessing leads to overdraft fees, late payroll, surprise tax bills, and feeling stuck even when your firm is busy. Over time, this financial chaos can drain your energy and hurt your firm's growth. Even if you have a full client load, you might not have the profit to show for it. Clear cash flow management can stop that cycle. But let's talk about it. How do you create predictability in your finances? It's not magic. It's simple steps done consistently. First, you need a clear budget. And I know budget sounds so freaking boring, but think of it like your firm's GPS. Without a map, how do you know where you're going? Second, you must track two important numbers every single month: what you've billed and what you've collected. If you track just those two numbers, you'll start to spot patterns. You'll see when collections slow down. You'll notice if billing drops. You'll have time to fix problems before they turn into emergencies. Third, plan ahead for big expenses. Taxes, insurance renewals, staff bonuses, all of these happen every year, and they're not surprises. So set aside money for them every week or every month so you're ready when the bill comes due. Let's go over some common mistakes I see law firm owners make when it comes to money. Mistake number one, spending money as soon as it comes in the door. Just because you collected a big payment doesn't mean you can spend it all. Part of that money needs to cover future bills and taxes. Mistake number two, not separating operating money from owner's pay. Your firm's money is not your personal money. Whether you're an S Corp, an LLC, or in a partnership, pay yourself a regular draw, just like you would pay an employee. Mistake number three, ignoring collections. You deserve to be paid for the work you do. Having a system to follow up on unpaid invoices is critical. Don't leave money sitting uncollected. And mistake number four, not reviewing reports. And I get it. Reports are a lot of numbers and they can be confusing and don't make sense. But here's the thing, you can't manage what you don't measure. Set a time each month to review your firm's profit and loss report, your bank accounts, and client balances. Fixing these mistakes will immediately make your finances feel more under control. I want to share a quick story about a firm that I worked with that turned things around. It was a two-person law firm that I worked with that had good clients, but they never had money left over at the end of the month. And they felt like they were constantly hustling, but never winning. When we looked closer, we saw that they were billing inconsistently, collections were spotty, and they didn't plan for their quarterly estimated tax payments. So here's what we did. We created a weekly billing rhythm, set up monthly reviews for collections. We also built a simple cash reserve for taxes, and we set owner draws at predictable amounts. And in just 6 months, their cash flow stabilized. Their stress went way down. They even gave themselves a small raise at the end of the year. You can have that success too. It starts with simple systems. So let's break down how you will set up a basic cash flow system. First, I would like to see you do weekly billing and collections. Every week, review time entries, send invoices, and check on overdue accounts. Second, monthly financial review. Once a month, sit down for 30 minutes, review your profit and loss report, your cash flow, and upcoming expenses. Third, quarterly planning. Every 3 months, review your annual goals, check your progress, and adjust your spending plan if needed. Fourth, cash reserves. Start small if needed, but build a cash reserve. Aim for at least 1 month of operating expenses and savings. And fifth, take regular owner pay. Decide whether you will pay yourself on a monthly or biweekly or even weekly draw and stick to it. Treat your paycheck like a real employee paycheck. Following a system gives you the visibility you need to make smart choices. Now, I'm not going to lie. Slow months happen in every law firm. The key is preparing in advance. If you have a cash reserve, you can cover your expenses without panic. You can take time to market your services, follow up with leads, or work on firm improvements instead of desperately taking any case that walks through the door. Plan for slow months by saving during the strong months. A little discipline now creates a lot of freedom later. Another way to create better cash flow is to make sure that your services are priced properly. Many law firm owners I talk to underprice their services because they worry about losing clients. But the hard truth is that if you're not profitable, you're just working harder, not smarter. Here's a simple rule. If you are fully booked and still struggling financially, then you are probably underpriced. Do a pricing review at least once a year. Make sure that your rates reflect your experience, your overhead, and your firm's goals. Finally, building a profitable, predictable law firm isn't just about you. It's about your team too. So train your team to understand how billing, collections, and smart spending impact the firm. Reward good financial habits like getting invoices out on time or cutting unnecessary expenses. Financial clarity should be part of your firm's culture, not a secret kept by you as the owner. If this feels like a lot, don't worry. You don't have to do it all overnight. Pick one thing you heard today and start there. Maybe you set up a weekly billing habit. Maybe you finally open that cash reserve account. Maybe you block time on your calendar for a monthly money meeting with yourself. Small actions build up over time. And before you know it, you'll be running a profitable, stress-free, thriving law firm. If you want help setting up your firm's financial systems, that's exactly what I do. Reach out and let's build your plan together. You deserve the firm that works for you, not the other way around. Running a successful law firm takes more than legal expertise. It requires financial mastery, strategic planning, and data-driven decision-making. At my accounting firm, Profit Scale Thrive, we specialize in helping law firms achieve lasting profitability by providing tailored financial guidance, optimizing cash flow, and equipping you with the insights needed to scale with confidence. Ready to take your firm's finances to the next level? Join our private community for law firm owners called Your Profitable Law Firm Community. Each month, we dive deep into essential topics about the business side of running a law firm. This is your opportunity to connect with other firm owners, share challenges, and discover proven solutions in a supportive environment. Visit ProfitScaleThrive.com today to join our community and access resources specifically designed for law firm owners just like you. Have a question about today's episode? Drop a comment below. Know of another firm owner struggling with their finances? Share this episode. It might be exactly what they need. Click that subscribe button to get notified when we release new episodes with more practical financial insights for your firm. If you found value in today's discussion, please take a moment to leave a review. Your feedback helps other law firm owners find this content. And remember, profit is something you intentionally plan for in the beginning. It's not a potential bonus at the end of the year. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you inside the Your Profitable Law Firm community.